Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear countrymen, Pakistani sisters, brothers, students, senior citizens, traders, and people from all walk of life. This is Jamal Takkko, Deputy President, Pakistan Awami Inqilab Movement, Paim. Having the honor and privilege to present myself before you at the time when Pakistan going through critical path in history. Pakistan being ruined by politicians, bureaucrats, some of the generals and corrupt and criminals for over last 61 years. All have exploited nation and played with their emotions by cheap slogan from years and years, and never redressed their grievances. Finally, we decided to launch revolution movement to bring drastic true change in society system. Paim leadership is with clean past and present with high reputation. So I come to the point now. We will be the real rep of new generation of Pakistan, and who will take stern measures against corrupt and criminals and provide nation sources to make their dreams come true in the real way. Nation must understand the God has not made this world a garden, and the angels are not guardian of it. So Pakistan has to play the part declaimed without expecting sheer miracle to give turn to present hollowful system. If not, then must prepare for suffering, since they are suffering long time. Agha Hassan Syed and Jamal Takkko impatient to need of keep marching, because Paim determination is pushing corrupts and criminals, politicians into new sea of fear and panic, which shall soon put them to lose balance. And range from all walk of life, people are pinning their hopes on Paim and looking intently toward us, as if Paim is the only source which pull nation out of from present circumstances. And this is the truth. Paim will pull out. Agha Hassan Syed and Jamal Takkko rep government in Pakistan is our prime object and motive, and we are leaving no stone unturned to meet the goal of our noble cause, which is truly for the betterment of Pakistan and its nation. Paim revolution movement is unfathomably and non-treatingly deep, and its presentation is platonic and global. We shall join any regime supporting our cause and providing us free hand and military and law enforcement support to crush corrupts and criminals of society. And any regime who proves itself to not intervene in Paim's government action against anti-society elements, who should allow us to draft new constitution closest to the demand and need of nation. So we launched mega anti-corruption operation non-stop, who should not stop us from floating rapid trial courts, who decide and issue verdict about punishments. The regime who should join Paim government shoulder to set an entire new system where nation could enjoy respectably life and living. If any of the regime will not agree with Paim leadership, then Paim shall not share power and shall continue its struggle till the end of the world, no matter how long process takes. But we shall come into the power someday, inshallah. Like many other fields of life, in journalism also one find elements with lapse in journalism ethics. They don't have brains to think beyond their personal interest, having from corrupt politicians, and are incapable and inqualified to fight against fabrication of corrupts and criminals of society. So Agha Hassan Syed and Jamal Takkko demand media of Pakistan and all over the media, West too, do not play dirty roles, please, but support the right leadership, and the leadership has the best ability to stable Pakistan. Pakistan politicians and corrupt of society have badly failed nation and every time election system and votism. So such elements have to be brought to real task punishment for the prosperity of Pakistan and betterment of welfare of coming generation. Nation should be prepared mentally for probable revolution of Paim, means Pakistan Awami Inqilab movement. So after revolution, the right democracy comes in Pakistan. Otherwise, things go haywire always in Pakistan, never be settled. We have 1,000 things to say for our nation, but in the last I will say Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder of Pakistan, and Allama Iqbal, the greatest poet of Pakistan, haven't dreamed this, what Pakistan is having crisis in this 61 years after the separation from India and death of the two these heroes. I will end my speech with a prayer to God, please forgive and pardon the nation of Pakistan if they lost their passage and come back on the right path. Amin. Pakistan Zindabad, Paim leadership, Paindabad. Assalamu alaikum.